In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings to fix your lag in Diablo 4. So the first thing you can try is going to Task Manager. Make sure you turn off or disable any program you're not using. So if you find any program running unnecessarily, just right click on it, then end task. You want to make sure you don't have too much softwares and games running at the same time. And then you want to go to details and do the same thing here. You can search for a software or a game if you can't find it here. And then if you find it and it's running in the background, just right click on it and then click end process tree. And then you'll go to startup apps. So these are the apps that will automatically start once you turn on your computer. So make sure you disable as much as possible if you're not using these. And for example, like Roblox player, if you don't want it to automatically open once you start your computer, then just make sure you disable it. And after you do this, you want to go here at this tab and make sure you do the same thing here. If you see, let's say, Epic Games running or other launchers that you're not using, you can just right click on them and then disable them just to save CPU usage. Now next, go to settings, and here go to game mode and turn on game mode. Then go to graphics, and here inside graphics settings, you will make sure you turn on this option. Then under advanced graphics, turn on hardware accelerated GPU. Now here in this custom settings, you should be able to see your game. You should be able to see Diablo 4. If you don't see it, then you can manually select it by going to add desktop app. And then you will just find the installation folder for your game. Find the main folder. And you will click on the Diablo 4.exe folder. Once you click on it, you will click add. And it will look something like this. GTA 5.exe or, for example, Valorant.exe. So once you get your game in this list, you will click on this drop down menu and then you will click on this and select high performance. Here you will turn this one on, and then now you can just go to Windows Update. So switch over to Windows Update, and here just check if there's any updates. Keeping your Windows up to date always makes sure you don't have any issues with bugs or errors. So just make sure you update your computer all the time. Now next thing, now you want to clean your computer from unnecessary folders. So you can do this by typing run and then type %temp%. So here you will Control A and select all folders here, and then right click and then delete them. You can safely delete these folders. Then you will go to this PC, C drive, and then Windows, and then you'll go to Prefetch. Now select all of these folders and then similarly just delete all of them. Now you'll go to Disk Cleanup. And here you will select all of these, tick on all of these, then you will click OK to clean your disk from these garbage folders. Just click OK to clean it. Now another thing you should keep in mind is always update your NVIDIA graphics cards, or like whatever graphics card you're using. Just make sure you always update it. If you have like a new driver update, updating it always makes sure like you're using the latest version, because the game usually uses the graphics card. This is what basically runs your games and runs the high graphics games. So always make sure you update them. And once you do this, this should hopefully fix your issue.